Good boy.
It's Sunday, August 23rd, and we just saw Ant-Man.
I thought you were gonna stop.
I was thinking about it just to end it right there. It was good. I liked it. Who knew Paul Rudd could be a superhero? Sorry, am I supposed to talk to the camera?
Okay, so what are you gonna give it out of 10?
Probably like a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. It was funny. Funnier than a lot of other superhero movies. And you always gotta stay until the absolute end of the movie. If Marvel was paid by the amount of time you stayed in the theater, they would be doing it right by doing that after credits preview thing.
I give it probably a 9. It's one up there. I don't know what I'm saying. It's up there with all the Marvel movies, and I have to say I think Ant-Man is my new favorite.
Really?
I didn't really have a favorite. I always said Captain America when people asked me, but I think it's Ant-Man now. This movie was really good. I don't even like Paul Rudd, but I think he did a fantastic job.
He makes
with
a good
this.
Ant-Man. That's for sure.
And he looked really good, especially since he's like, what, 46, 45? And I think everyone else fit their part very, very well, including Michael Douglas. And I don't even like him, so.
Michael Douglas is really good. I love that just sarcasm that him and Paul Rudd share. You're full of shit, Paul.
But yeah, it was really good. So now we're at Five Below, and we're gonna go shopping. Hi everybody. It's like 6 hours later and we're looking for ant traps because we have ants all over our apartment, which is ironic because we just saw Ant-Man.
Oh shit, shake that ass while moving like the Jepson.
Well, got this stuff, but it's outdoor. You can't use it inside.
That woman keeps giving us looks.
Doesn't bother me at all.
So what are we gonna do?
Should we buy this? Kills queen and entire colony. But you gotta give it like a week.
Wait, should we get something for Salem?
No.
Why?
Because you already got him treats and you got him wet food.
Yeah, but we're down the aisle. We might as well, right? Okay.
No.
Alright. Do you want to drive?
Sure.
I mean, then I can vlog, even though they can't see me. Here you go. He thinks that I say ant tramps when I say ant traps.
Some fancy cinematography.
Watch this lady.
Watch her do what? Hey, welcome. Do you have earmuffs on?
That's her hair.
Well, they look like earmuffs. Apparently I'm also blind.
You shouldn't be driving.
Whatever. You should have picked up that gauntlet and slapped her with it. If you know what I mean.
What are you talking about? You should say something funny to the cashier so I can get it on video.
Why would I do that?
Because it'd be funny.
There's their window. And you can't do that. They'll think that we're trying to record their service. Can you imagine how annoying it would be if they named their muffins McMuffins? I want a McMuffin.
Oh god.
God, 2 M's.
They have muffins.
Are they called McMuffins?
No, they're called McCafe muffins.
That's even worse. Just name it McMuffin. Get it over with. It's gonna be that way in a month anyway. Do you want some honey mustard? I can grab some.
No, don't grab any.
There's also some ranch, barbecue. Oh, lady, I can't grab her. That's weird. Dead ass.
Sorry.
No problem.
And if you can just pull forward and I'll bring it out to you. I'm sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you very much. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Did you see her butt?
Yeah.
Damn, girl.
Dare you? Don't litter.
I didn't litter. It's paper. It's biodegradable. It's made from trees. Technically, I planted a tree right there. I thought that guy was pushing a baby stroller for a second, but it's actually a gentleman pushing a guy in a wheelchair.
Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for this week, but I will see you next Monday.
We'll
Bye.
probably still won't have our food then.
Say bye.
Bye. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't get his booty.
Oh, look at that booty.